Good day everyone, Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is July the 4th, 2022. In this video I'm just talking about Nasdaq, a very short-term analysis for the week ahead. Today market was closed due to Independence Day in US, and the market will be open tomorrow, Tuesday, July the 5th. And right now future market, this is daily chart by the way, so future market is positive right now in green territory. However, we just price have spiking up to this SMA 20 and then retracing back up, which is a short-term resistance at least. So we had this situation before. First of all, I want to say we are in clear downtrend. There is no doubt about it. But in any spike down, we have a compression wedge, and then this compression wedge can go either way. It can go up, and sometimes it can go down as a continuation. In this case, when we are just mimicking around SMA 20 in daily chart, and we get close with this nice wide range bar, so two wide range bar here at the third low. This is very important, at the third low, and we kind of like breaking above this wedge, this compression wedge, and going to the upside to make this bigger trend line or channel here. Right now we are again at the same scenario, so market is kind of like acting the same pattern. We are spiking down. This is the first low, high, and second lower low, and probably we are just mimicking around here, and price is going up and down, up and down. However, I'm just looking for the short term, which is coming this week. I'm looking for 11,800 is the first conservative target for now, but we should see how price is reacting to this area. If it's breaking above this, so probably the next target is going to be 12,000 around, and 12,100. But if we break above this pivot, then we are going all the way to 12,800. So just be careful on this market. We cannot anticipate anything can happen, but my kind of analysis is we are hitting this trend line, and we don't have, like, a price doesn't have enough power to get through. Even if it can pierce it through and then coming back down, that's going to be false breakout. So that's going to be good selling signal for us to short the Nasdaq again. And probably Nasdaq is coming down for the third consecutive lower low in this compression wedge to this area. So why this area is important? And this area is going to be 10,350 to 10,987, which is almost 700 points. So this 700 points, let's zoom back. This 700 points, we are getting to this bottom of the W pattern, which happened October 2020. Very powerful W pattern, and you see how market react afterwards. And this is the consolidation prior W pattern, and the lower low for this W pattern just tested this consolidation area. So that's why I'm saying that lots of buyers here, institution money is there. I don't know if there is going to be a bigger bounce or short-term bounce, but for sure we will have a good reaction in this area. So again, moving forward to the current time, if price is heading up to this level and then coming back down, I would take a chance to take a long position or buying some units from here, just because we have a good solid bounce. So just be careful on that. If market reacting to this level coming back down, so that's going to be a good buying opportunity around this 700 points. We can trigger it in the short-term time frame, probably 1 hour chart or 4 hours chart. It depends on your strategy, but again, this area could be a good buying opportunity. This area, let me just copy that. Let me just delete this, just because we are not no longer going there. So this area is going to be your first resistance. Again, I'm thinking of market probably react to this area. I'm not taking any short position here, just let you know, because this can easily break out to the upside and go in this to this area, and even going here as well, so for the maximum target. But again, if market help us to coming back down here to this area, I'm going to take a long position here, just because this is more powerful setup than this one. This one is a stronger setup than this one. This one is kind of like we are in the short term like a bounce, and probably there is going to be lots of stop hunting in this area as well. If we are getting stretched out to this level, I'm going to take a short. For sure, I'm going to take a short 12,800 and 12,000, to be honest, 500 above. That is going to be a short opportunity here, I would say, here around this area. So I would take a short here, I would take a long here. I'm not gonna do anything here, basically. I'm just waiting. Probably you can do scalping, very quick scalping, but for the swing trades, I mean, like, that's what I'm doing. I'm not taking any position here. This is kind of, for me, it's in no man's land for now, for my side. So that's why I'm just staying on the side. All right, let's save this one and going to 4 hours chart. Here's the 4 hours chart. And again, so we have a better idea of where are we heading to. This is a very, very clear one. The market just reacting very well. You see this is spike down. Oh, nice. So Bank of New Zealand just increased another 50 basis points interest, and that's going to be stronger one. So when Bank of New Zealand increase the rate, that's going to be good for stock market as well. Anyway, we are just heading up to this area, and why this area is very important. Look at this wide range bar. This wide range bar coming after this demand area. This is nice demand area. This is nice wide range bar. It doesn't go through to this supply area. If you just look at my previous Nasdaq video, I was telling you I'm looking price just hitting this to short. We just had a buying signal here. I explained to you how I trade my setup. If you didn't see that, please go to this link here and see this one. But anyway, so we took a position, long position. We made lots of profit. We hit 2 stop loss here last week, and that's why I didn't trade. But right now, I'm just looking for, again, market is coming back down here to take a long position, as I just explained in daily chart, or market can go all the way up to here or to here. I don't know if we can get to this trend line here, just because it's stretching down. And this is a dynamic trend line. This is not a classic one that everyone is using. This is a dynamic trend line, by the way. And this area is coming to this wide range bar, this supply area engulf this demand area. So there are lots of odds enhancers here for short position in this area. So we are just looking for, I'm just looking for a resistance here in this area. So resistance could be 11,800 to 12,000. So these 200 points here, that's going to be the next resistance area for Nasdaq, probably hitting tomorrow or on Wednesday. Okay, that's all for today for Nasdaq analysis. This is just a short-term analysis for this week ahead, and hope you enjoy this. If you like this video, please smash the like button, and if you like this channel, please subscribe if you haven't already. So please subscribe to our channel and introduce it to your friends as well. Have a fantastic week. See you on the chart. Bye bye.